Hey everyone, I'm working on a welding helmet today. It was given to me by a friend of mine, and basically what I did was I took it apart, and I didn't shoot that video, but basically this is what it is. The auto darkening feature didn't work on it, so that's pretty much why I ended up with it. I took it apart. It was very not that difficult really. It was very easy to take apart, and in the end there is a battery that is not really made to be replaced. It's not really made to be, swapped out. Basically, it's a throwaway item, I guess. I could have put in a new battery, tacked it back on, but these batteries are, well, they're not that cheap either. I could have actually wired it and ran some external batteries, but all those options were not that cheap. They're all, they're cheap, but they're not like, cheap. So the plan that I took, and after measuring the dimensions of this board, is this. I got this package today, okay? So let's look inside of it, okay? Give me a second. Alright, in this nice little package, it's all this in air bubble, is I got a new piece right here, okay? And this was about, I want to say about 10 bucks. And I got the one that, to me, was the closest to what I was trying to replace. And again, like I said, this was not very expensive, and the best thing is these have batteries that you can replace, okay? And then basically we're going to then install it back into the helmet. Sorry. So the installation is actually not that bad, okay? The installation, at least, it wasn't that bad. So basically this piece is going to be a lot bigger, but it's okay. We're going to take that, the little screw off of here, like so. Take the cover off, and we'll feed that inside. We'll put this cover on with the piece on top. They should fit very close, because the dimensions of this is like perfect almost to the one that I took out. So give me a second here. Looks like I'm going to have to do a little modification to this corner right here where the wires go, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I was able to, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I was able to cut a groove right in here by where the wire comes through, so that's big enough. I lined up the tab here with the centering mark. Then I should be able to put this piece on like so. Put the screw down to tighten it in place like so. Okay, so the cover and everything, and then I'm just going to tighten that down. You don't have to go nuts. Okay, and you just almost have to give this a little bit of juice. And then what we're going to do is, before I assemble the rest of the cover, I just have a shield for this thing, so it's not much. We're going to test it to make sure that it's actually working. And then the dial goes on next. There we go. So I just turned it all the way, okay? And that's at that point right now, so I'm going to put the pointer right at that one, and now you can turn it the other way, okay? And now center it. And then the only thing left is to put on this front display, and it just goes on like that. Now I want to clean it before I put it on, but I'm going to let it power up a little bit, and then we'll go outside and see if this thing actually works, okay? Maxed out right now. Okay, we'll put all that stuff up here, and then the delay. Okay. Alright, so let's put it in the sun and see if we can juice up those and see if that thing works, okay?